What's up? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm actually going to be reviewing a new subscription service box, and that is going to be the Kinderbeautybox. So you guys want to see everything this is about, what's in it, then definitely keep on watching. Alright guys, so before we jump into today's video, it has been a couple days. Actually, I haven't filmed since Monday and it's Friday, and normally I don't take this long to film a YouTube video, but I've actually taken some time off of my YouTube channel as well as my physical job because of this little guy right here. So on Tuesday, I was in a lot of pain in my finger, like extreme amount of pain, and I was like, okay, I can't deal with this anymore. So I actually had Corey taken to the ER. Thank God there's like barely anyone there, so I got in and out, but they did several x-rays and they told me that my finger is not broken like I thought it was, and like the pharmacist told me it was. However, there is a very good chance that I actually tore my ligament, and that is why I'm having a very difficult time like moving my finger. This is like progress right here for me, progress. But it's the reason why I'm having a very difficult time like bending it forward. Like I can't do this at all. I can do this much movement and start to do that, but I cannot bend it any further. So they gave me this wrist brace because they want to keep my hand as steady as possible because they think that the tear is somewhere in this region. So I do have to go see a hand surgeon. However, there is some good news to that. If within the next week of being at the ER, I can start to move my finger on its own without having any pain or any weird sensation, then that means I just sprained my ligament and not torn it, which means I don't have to have surgery or anything like that. I just need time to rest, and a sprain takes anywhere between 3 to 6 weeks for it to completely heal. So that's what I'm hoping for. So far, I have been taking a lot of ibuprofen, but I haven't taken any today, and I have not been in any pain. I'm definitely starting to get some sensation back into my finger. Before it's like very weird, numb fuzziness. I'm actually starting to get some sensation back in this finger. But this right here, this is a little bit of a pain. My job was so gracious enough to give me this, a couple of days off. I do go back tomorrow, and we'll see how it goes because they wanted to take me off of my duty, but I said, nope, I still need to work and still need to make money. So yeah, we're gonna push through it. We're gonna have to push through it. That's also why I'm kind of grateful. So today I am actually going to pre-film 4 videos for you guys. I'm not doing any sort of makeup looks for you guys in the next 4 videos unless my ColourPop, because I did order the ColourPop Peachy eyeshadow palette. I ordered that, and I will do a look for you guys. But unfortunately, since I am in still a little bit of pain, I'm trying to keep it very easy on my hand. I am being like a little cheeky YouTuber, and I'm filming 4 videos in a row. So you'll be seeing like the same outfit, same makeup look, back to back, except for a video that's going to come out next week that might come out before some of these other ones, and then the Peachy ColourPop one. But yeah, I just wanted to film everything while I can, just in case, so that no matter what, even if I'm out for a little bit, you guys are still getting content, you guys are still getting videos, and I can still be engaging and interact with you guys. So hopefully we'll find out next week. Hopefully I can go back to my regular scheduling, do some more makeup looks for you guys. Right now, I know you guys are gonna ask, I am currently wearing the With Love Cosmetics Orange Burst Pressed Shadow right here in the inner corner, and I did the little ColourPop Orangey Glad on the outer corner. So easy to do, so beautiful. This eye look took less than 5 minutes to do. Love With Love Cosmetics. So now I also said I was going to do some shout outs to smaller channels, and I will be doing that in future videos. However, I'm going to be doing a shout out in this video, and you're also going to hear the same shout out in another video because this person has helped me so much with my channel and just in general. And I normally do makeup reviews, but lately I have been getting a little bit more subscription boxes or like unboxings, and it's all because of Chrissy Harless. She's an amazing YouTuber here on YouTube, and we actually discovered each other about a year ago. I think when we found each other, we both only had like 500 subscribers, if not less, and she had like this really beautiful red backdrop, I had my gold backdrop, and we've always been in contact ever since. Well, she has been a beauty reviewer like me, but she's slowly transitioned into an unboxing channel. Now she still does reviews, but she does makeup reviews on Mondays, but she does a lot of subscription boxes on her channel, and I've actually found quite a few subscription boxes off of her because of how informative she is, and I'm gonna link her channel down below. And I am so freaking proud of her because she's about to hit 20,000 subscribers. We literally both hit 1,000 subscribers at the exact same time in May, but she had some amazing videos just take off on her channel where she's gotten like 360,000 views off some of these videos, and it has really skyrocketed her. And I mean, I think she gained like 14,000 subscribers within like 2 weeks, which is mind blowing, but I'm so damn proud of her. Chrissy, if you're watching this, which I know you are, I'm so damn proud of you. But she has been so amazing and giving me some great recommendations for some subscription boxes, and she hasn't recommended this one, but hopefully she will end up getting it after this video. But yeah, I just want to give you guys a quick shout out to her, so make sure you guys go head over to her page, show her some love, tell her that I sent you, say some hi to her. Like seriously guys, she's amazing, and she will be your go-to for anything and everything subscription boxes. Seriously, like she's on top of it. Alright, so the Kinderbeautybox. Now I happened to see this, it popped up on my Instagram, and I was like, I've never heard about this before, but I do know one of the owners for this box. So one of them is Daniella Monet. I've never heard of her before, unfortunately, but I have heard of Evanna Lynch, and now Evanna Lynch does play Luna Lovegood in Harry Potter. Like that is so freaking cool that she has her own beauty box. Now this beauty box is a vegan beauty box. So everything you guys find in here is all gonna be vegan beauty products. Now this box is gonna cater to everybody out there because it is vegan products, so everybody gets a chance to use it. And when I heard about this and I saw this, I was like, I have to get it. I have to get this box. Now this box, I'm gonna read a little bit of facts to you guys. Kinderbeautybox is packed with $75 to $165 worth of carefully curated, cruelty-free vegan skincare, makeup, hair care, and or accessories. You'll get at least 2 full-size products in each box, and every month will help you discover new brands to fall in love with. A portion of all sales benefits some of our favorite animal rights and environmental causes. How cool is that? Now I signed up for the monthly subscription service, so that's gonna be $24 a month, but they do have different plans. You could do the $24 a month, and you can cancel anytime and automatically renews, or you could do 3 months at a time, which you pay $60 to $66 at a time, or you can go ahead and pay $239.40 and you get all 12 boxes delivered to your door for a one-time fee. I'd rather just do the $24 a month because, well, might as well just get hit with all my other subscription boxes that I have going on. So, like I said, I've not seen any reviews on this. I haven't seen anyone talking about this, but I'm so excited to dig on into this. So this is how the box looks. So pretty, so pretty. Let's see. It says the Kinderbeautybox Cell D-Puff Eye Cream. Due to shipping delay with the Deliah Organics products listed in the insert cart, we are pleased to bring you #KinderBabes, another swoon-worthy product from Daniella Naturals, one of our absolute favorite brands. Discover your pure natural beauty with this botanical eye cream with Canella Cell hemp stem cells and organic hemp seed oil for plumper, smoother, brighter appearance. Made with bioavailable vegan ingredients to be gentle and effective for all skin types. To use, apply morning and night to clean skin. Gently squeeze tube to dispense cream. Glide under the eye towards the outer corner and across the brow bone. Now this does retail for $19.99. So it's kind of cool. So they're pretty much telling you that you would have gotten something differently in this box, but because of shipping delays, they're sending us something else in return. That's pretty cool. I like that. So I think this is gonna be the full size object. And again, I'm gonna apologize if I butcher any names. These are all gonna be pretty much brands that I've never heard about. So I'm sorry if anything gets butchered, but hey. But this is the Cell Deep Puff Eye Cream from Daniella Naturals. Let's see how this smells. And this retails for $19.99. Oh, look at those cute little box. Look at the cute little inserts. Little pot leaves. That's cute. Ooh, it's like one of these little things. You just like, what, put it right here? Doesn't really have much of a scent to it. Not really much of a scent, but I'm really excited to give this a try. I love anything natural. I love cruelty-free products. I'm not completely vegan because it does cut out a lot of brands that I use, but I do try to stick as cruelty-free as possible. Oh, it also comes with a big insert guide. Ooh, sweet. So this is just gonna be just like BoxyCharm and Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. They are gonna give you an informational guide to tell you guys what each product is, how much it's worth, or what it would be worth if you got the full size. So, what's the next product? The next product is Frisbee Gone Shea Butter and Sweet Almond Oil Hot Oil Hair Treatment to smooth out of control hair. Exotic ingredients deeply hydrate and condition each strand to protect hair fibers and infuse with rejuvenation. Let's see, 10 benefits to improve your smooth hair within 60 seconds. Pinch me. Oh, so this right here retails for $3.99 and it's by Giovanna Cosmetics. I've actually never heard of this brand before, but this is a deep conditioner. Now it says it's supposed to be hot. See how this works. It says this is supposed to be hot oil. I don't know how I feel about putting hot oil in my hair, but it says heat water in a pot, pour heated water into heat safe cup, place sachet into warm water for 60 seconds or until oil is melted and warm. If needed, knead product until oil has completely liquefied. Shake well, check temperature. If sachet's too hot, let it sit and cool until desired temperature is reached. To reheat, read steps 1 through 5. All right. Actually really cool. I'm actually really excited to try this out. I would open it, but I don't want oil to come falling out. But that's actually really cool. I'm assuming it's going to be safe for my hair. I do only try to stick to color treated products because I do have natural blonde hair, but I do dye my hair. Well, I don't dye my hairstylist dyes my hair for me. So I try to stick to brands that are not gonna strip away the color that's in here, and it's very safe for color treated hair. So I'm hoping this is gonna be safe. If not, I would definitely put this in a giveaway box. So the next product is by Phase Zero. It's called Regal and it's a metal veil eyeshadow. So this is a liquid eyeshadow that can be used as alone or as a base to really vamp up your eyeshadow game. It has fully pigmented shades or subtle shimmers, however you want to look at it. And it retails for $15.99. I wonder what color I got. Oh, okay, that's cute. That's cute. Let's see how it looks. Nice little dome applicator. Put in the back of the hand. But that is the metal topper right there. You could use this as a base or as a topper. Honestly, I'd probably use this as a base. Surprisingly enough, even though this does have a nice little shimmer to it, I'd probably use this as a base and then take one of my With Love Cosmetics pressed glitters and put it on top to really make it pop. That's actually really cool. Like I said, a brand I've never heard of. All right, so the next product is gonna be called, Northern Lights Liberty Face Mask. This retails for $24.95 and it says get fresher, younger, smoother looking skin with Franklin and Whitman's all natural Northern Liberties face mask. Featuring powerhouse ingredients like organic hibiscus, rice powder, and a custard pink clay blend, this mask will leave your skin feeling purified and flawless. This all-natural preservative-free formula has unique abilities to repair damaged skin, reduce breakouts, while also keeping your skin soft and subtle. To use, mix 1 to 2 teaspoons of mask powder to just enough water to create a paste. Leave mask on for 5 to 15 minutes. Do not let fully harden. Remove with a wet washcloth or rinse with warm water and circular motion to exfoliate. Oh, that's actually really cool. Oh God. I gotta open this bad boy. Oh, well, you're sealed. Oof. Well, she's stinky. She does not smell great, but this is how the product looks. This is very intriguing, making my own face mask. I like that. Well, this would be so cool to try. That's actually really exciting. Doesn't smell the best, but hey, if it works, it works. All right, so the last product is by KinderBeauty. This is a champagne spray travel size. It says, QB is a hair care brand worth getting excited about. Their champagne spray is a multi-talented weightless texturizer that gives hair that second day lived-in look in an instant. This retails for $15.99. Well, let's see how this smells. Oh, whoa. What's on my nose? Oh my God. That was that powder that's been on my nose this entire time. And y'all just get to watch that. I could go back and reread that and edit that part out, but why would I? It's me. It's me. I'm not even surprised. But this smells amazing. Wow. I definitely want to give my hair some body and some volume. That smells really good. I really, really like that. Well, this is a really cool box. Like I said, I've never heard about any of these brands before, so it's kind of nice to be introduced to different brands because there's so many on the market. And I feel like it's oversaturated with all the well-known brands that I find that any brands work just as well, if not better. They have better customer service. They have better abilities to really hone down and find out what you like as a consumer. They really care about you, and so I like working with indie brands more than well-named brands. So I'm really excited that I got this box. It's really cool, and I like the little packaging. It's like really nice, and nothing's really wasteful. Well, I mean, the cardboard box is wasteful, but it's not like, you know, the Sephora Play where it comes that plastic stuff. Everything is like biodegradable, and I can just break it down and save the environment. So that is it for today's video, guys. I will link this Kinderbeautybox down below if anyone wants to go check it out. Go sign up for it. It's really cool. I'm excited to try out some of these products. Please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, because I do post 2, mostly 3 videos a week. Also, make sure you guys head on over to my other channel, which is Our Florida Life. You guys can see all my wonderful adventures here with my wonderful fiance Corey, and go check out Christy Harless and her unboxing page. She does beauty reviews, but she does mostly unboxings. Go check her out. Like I said, I'll have that linked down below. And as always, guys, I want to thank you guys for all your love and support, and I'll see you guys in the very next video. Bye. Peachy video, like peachy. I did it on my ColourPop. So she are the Daniella Monet and Evanna Lynch, and so now the font. Now I did the monthly subscribers. I know gently scoops tube to dispense cream, and infused with. The next product is Regal Metal Mineral. Jesus, that's actually like a nice little science product.